Autodesk Autocad. Continuation. 2D drawing. 2D drawing. Display on the screen. How to draw this one? Say center to center 14.4. 14.4. Center to center. So then this one vertical wise 17.3. 17.3. Say just draw this one. Line command. Draw like this way. Different method you can use, but so click on here. So straight 0 degree. 14.4. Then enter. Line coming like this way. So then enter. Line command, so the midpoint. Object snap. Or snap function on. For 17.3. 17.3. Sorry. 17.3 from midpoint. 17.3. Keep the cursor in 180 degree, sorry, 270 degree. So then press enter. Then right mouse enter. So then circle command. Center radius. Center radius. The center point, midpoint on here, center point. So the center point I make it on here. So then end point of this line or midpoint of this line, so you can rotate this. So center radius, center point, end point of this line. So then make it with this one, midpoint of the line or center point of the or quadrant of the circle. So then line command, tangent. See, you can use like this way. Specify first point, you can type on here TA, tangent. Click on here, then connect it with this endpoint. So once again, so you type on here tangent, TA. So then click on here, right mouse enter. So then after that, the helping lines, no need to use. So you can delete that. So then line command, endpoint of this line. So then again connected with this endpoint, right mouse enter. So then select two circles and one horizontal line. Trim command. Select on here and cut this one. Again cut this. Right mouse enter. So then delete this helping line. Correct. So then highlight and group. So you can group. So you can type on here group. On the command prompt, you can type on here group. So then press enter. So you highlight this one. So now go to this group. So then press enter. So now all together one. All together one. So then after that, line command starting from this endpoint 90 degree. I type 100, distance 100, then enter. So then select this mirror object, mirror. So then click on here, midpoint of this line, then turn other side. Then press enter, mirror object, so you can understand. So then highlight this, trim, cut this one. So then cut inside the line also. So then select this, already grouped. So select this one, copy command, copy this, click on here. Say select the 2, 3 copies like this. Then select this object, rotate. So the base point on here, rotate this side with the function key F8. And do this one once again. Select this, rotation. So the base point on here with function key F8. So you can rotate like this. So first, everybody practice like this way. So the next unit, you can proceed this. Hit on next unit.